Hello friends, welcome to Top Club Shopping. Today we will make mixed beans sprout salad. Friends, this is very healthy and very tasty also. To make the salad, we will require sprouted beans, cucumber, onion, tomato, lemon, salt, chaat masala, coriander leaves, spring onion, roasted jeera powder and black pepper powder. First we will wash and clean the sprouts. I have taken the ready-made ones, but we can also prepare the sprouts at home. I will make a video on how to make mixed beans sprout. We'll take the cucumber, we'll cut into this. You can cut like this the cucumber and put into the beans. This is very healthy for everyone, for children, for young, for old. Cut the tomato into very fine pieces. Now I will cut onion. We have to cut it very fine. Friends, I mostly cut onion like this on my hands. I am very used to cutting onions like this. Make many recipes, so I am very used to cutting onions like this into fine pieces. Now we'll put salt as per taste. Then this is chaat masala. This is roasted jeera powder or roasted cumin powder. Now I'm adding black pepper powder, then spring onions, coriander leaves, fresh, cut finely. Now we will put lemon juice. Mix well. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please click on the subscribe button and please show your encouragement to Top Club Shopping. Thank you so much and keep watching for more such interesting and delicious recipes. Thank you.